So I've had a lot of problems with my laptop hard disk, and I decided that I needed to replace it because it was really affecting what I was doing. Sometimes you're recording a video, and in the midst of your recording it gets stuck, you have hanging programs, you have all those crashing applications, and it was so stressful and actually inconvenient for me. So I ordered hard disk, a laptop hard disk from a certain online store. It's called Magisa. It's not very common, but I'll share the link in the description so you can check out those hard disks. The delivery came in 13 days, which was very fast because on the website it was stated that the product will arrive after 2 months or maybe 35 days. So the package came and it was good. It was really well packed. I can complain about that. So apart from the external package of this paper, we had this here. This was wrapped up with very fine. So this is what it looks like. So this is the hard disk that I ordered, and the capacity is 250 GB. I just wanted to try something with it and see if it works. So I've not yet put it in my laptop. Now once I've put this in there and install the applications, I will share maybe a few reviews here and there and tell you how it's going and how it's working. But from what I see so far, I think it is still so good. It is a brand new disk, and I think I like it. So stay tuned so that after I have put it in my laptop and installed applications, I'll share with you and tell you how it goes. And if you want to upgrade yours too, you can buy a similar one, and they have a capacity from I think as low as 80 GB. We have 160 GB, we have 250, 320, we have 500 GB, and 1 TB. Now it all depends on what you want to store in your hard disk. But even with this, I always advise somebody to buy an external drive, because you never know when this is going to crash. It could be new, you could use it even for a few months or sometime for even 5 years without crashing, but these things are unpredictable. So the best solution to do when you want to protect yourself from losing your important information is you should buy an external drive, which I'm going to share a link on the description for too, so you can check that out too, and you can opt to buy both because your information is more important than a few bucks here and there. So that's it for this hard drive. As I've said, I'll share much on it after I have used it. Now, if you've not joined this channel, hit the sub button below, turn on the notification, and see you in the next